A very good morning to all my dear students. Today we are just going to start our new chapter from the book Beehive, the chapter number 6, My Childhood, which is written by APJ Abdul Kalam. This is an extract which has just taken from his book. The name of this particular book is The Wings of Fire, which is written by APJ Abdul Kalam. And in this particular book, he is just giving his own detail and his biography of life. It means this particular book is an autobiography of his childhood. Now let us consider that what kind of you can say moment he was just sharing with us in this very chapter, My Childhood. Here, My Childhood says Abdul Kalam that he was born in a middle class family and he was a Muslim family in Rameshwaram. Rameshwaram is a small island in the southern area of India, and he had three brothers and one sister. And his father was a generous and wise man. His mother was a hospitable lady, and they lived in an ancestral house of Mosque Street. His father lived a simple life but provided all the necessities to the children. His parents was not so rich and educated, but except of all these things, that they lived in the ancestral house in the Rameshwaram, and in a middle class family they got the higher education because of all these things. After that, his parents was neither much educated nor rich. This was just told by our APJ Abdul Kalam. After that, yet they were generous and kind. Many outsiders ate with the family every day. It means they have a big heart that they never use all these things, that they gives a kind of one-time meal to many of the person who usually have not belong to their family. After that, the Kalam inherited the qualities of honesty and self-discipline from his parents. In this very lesson, we will always come to know that what kind of qualities he has just gained from his parents. For example, here he gained the self-discipline qualities and the qualities of honesty from his parents. After that, he is just giving us the reference that when he was 8-year-old, when the Second World War was broken out in 1939, then there was a great demand for tamarind seed. He don't know why it was demanded. Tamarind means imli, right? So after that, Abdul used to collect those sheets and sell them into the market, and he earned 1 anna out of them. His cousin Shamsuddin distributed newspaper and employed him as a helping hand. It means our APJ Abdul Kalam was just behaving as a helping hand to his cousin, that is Shamsuddin, who usually distributed the newspaper. This way he earned in his first wages. His wages means when he used to help his cousin Samshuddin, then he has earned first money or the first salary of his work. After that, he told us that this kind of he inherited the faith in goodness and kindness from his parents. After that, he says that Kalam's family respect all the religion. There is no kind of discrimination even, and they took part in the Hindu festival as well. His mother and grandmother told the stories from the Ramayana as well as the life of the Prophet to the children at the bedtime. Kalam had 3 friends. Here the reference of these friends was given as the Ramananda Shastri, who was one of the best friend of our APJ Abdul Kalam. And after that, Ramananda Shastri was one of the son of the highest priest of the Rameshwar temple. After that, he was just talking about the Arvindam and Shri Prakashan. Here, after completing the graduation on all these things and study, our Ramananda Shastri was again the high priest of the Rameshwar temple, and Arvindam started the traveling business. And after that, Shiva Prakash was just start the business of catering. And our APJ Abdul Kalam involved himself in the physics and the scientific way. After that, he became the president of India. After that, we will conclude that they had different religion backgrounds and upbringings. It means 3 of the friends just belonged to the Hinduism, and also our Kalam was a Mohammedan child. But he says that they never felt any difference among themselves. They adopted different professions when they grow up. When one day when Abdul Kalam was in first standard at the Rameshwaram Element School, a new teacher, the teacher of science, came to their class, and at that time our Abdul Kalam was used to wear a cap. It sets him apart as a Muslim. It means this very cap was a symbol of Mohammedan group. So here he was just identified by his class teacher, science class teacher, that he was a Mohammedan, and he usually sit in the first row next to the Ramanand Shastri. Then the teacher could not tolerate a Hindu priest's son sitting with a Muslim boy. After that, Kalam was asked to sit on the back bench, and both of the friends felt very sad and told their parents about the incident of the school. It means whenever the Kalam was usually sit with our Ramananda Shastri, no one even refused their friendship, but that particular teacher just asked Kalam to sit back on the back bench. At that particular time, here they felt that it is a kind of result in the discrimination, and they felt very sad. And Ramananda Shastri just told to her father that you can say to his father that the science teacher has done this to Kalam. After that, they called the teacher and told him not to spread the poison of communal hatred and social inequalities in the mind of innocent child. Then he told to the teacher to either apologize or leave the school or the city. But the teacher apologized and reformed his mind and soul. After that, even after this change, the particular teacher offered a meal to Abdul Kalam at his home. But at the particular time, the wife of that science teacher refused to serve Kalam dinner in her kitchen, as she believed in the religion segregation. It means Hindu is Hindu, Muslim is Muslim. They cannot be come to their home. And if they will exchange their rituals, then it will be not boon for each other. The teacher himself served him food and sat beside him to eat his own meal. So this incident changed the mind of even Abdul Kalam and his wife, you can say his teacher, as well as the wife of the teacher, science teacher. After that, our Abdul Kalam, you can say, says that the particular lady who was just giving the hesitantly the dinner and giving serve the dinner, she was just observed Abdul Kalam from the door, and but Abdul Kalam did not give any you can say you did not find any changes in Abdul Kalam behavior. So after the dinner, the teacher again invited him to join next weekend, but this time our Abdul Kalam had just refused, but he just said that if we will not make the change, then how the change will come to our country. Then this particular thing will set the mind of APJ Abdul Kalam. And for the next time when he just came to the home of his science teacher, the wife served him food from the inside from the kitchen and with her own hands. It means this incident will also results in the change of the mind of the teacher of Abdul Kalam's science teacher, wife of the Abdul Kalam's teacher. After that, his the last paragraph is come to says that the Second World War was end, and Kalam asked his father to permit him to go to the Ramanthapuram to study. His father was ready to send him to Ramanthapuram, but his mother was so sad that his son will go there and there may be kind of discrimination and he will lift it up or not. So this kind of thing and soft-headed corner of a mother was always grow up for her son. But his father told his hesitant wife that they should give their children their love but not force their thoughts, and you can say especially we should not force our thoughts on them. So this is the story of APJ Abdul Kalam in this extract of My Childhood. This is very simple story which just prevailed chronological order, and we will come to know about the childhood memories as well as the scenario during the World War II and how the emergence of independence in the 1947. So this is all about this very chapter. I hope that you have just find yourself relatable to our childhood. You can say the childhood of our APJ Abdul Kalam. So find out all the NCRT question answers in your fair notebook, and we'll meet in the next video with the next chapter.